Hello K-fam, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to introduce you to the darkest side of the K-pop fandom. Without any delay, let's get started. In Asian and specifically South Korean culture, a Sasaeng fan is someone who is so obsessive, who stalks or engages in other behavior constituting an invasion to the privacy of the artist or a public figure. I'm going to take you to the past few incidents that are very extreme regarding the BTS Sasaengs. First, the No Pants Girl. On January 14, this female fan was spotted following BTS at a close distance at the Incheon International Airport. She has been known to follow BTS from flight to flight and has reportedly been included in Big Hit Entertainment's blacklist for Sasaengs. No Pants Girl earned her nickname from the outfit she wore that day. In photos and the videos, she appears to be pantless, but it is likely that she was wearing hot pants at the time. She became known as the No Pants Girl after a video was uploaded of her waiting for BTS at an airport. When BTS arrived, she tried to follow them, especially Jungkook, without being noticed by the security. Apparently, she has done similar stuff before, like booking plane tickets to be on the same plane as idols. Can you freaking imagine how terrific this is? She had taken pictures of BTS Jungkook sleeping on the plane. However, it is unclear if this picture was taken by her or another stalker. After this incident took place, armies got worried about their boys and they have continuously tweeted to the Big Hit Entertainment to do something about her. This Sasaeng has been noted that she have been following JK for a long time. However, Big Hit has made her into the block list. Guys, do you know how uncomfortable a artist might feel? This is so stupid. Please, if you love BTS, you should never do this. Not only BTS, whoever the artist is, if you love them, if you adore them, never do this to a celebrity. This really makes them feel uncomfortable. One of the members went to the restroom on the airplane. He got out. A girl rushed to enter after him. She licked the toilet seat and posted a picture of her doing so on social media. I was too disgusted and disappointed seeing this. How disgusting it is. And this particular incident was the scariest of all. When asked a few seasons why they would do this, their answers were literally shocking. The most common answer was these Sasaengs want the artist to remember them in their lifetime, no matter to what extent they may do. And the next one. When BTS was filming in Sweden, they stopped at a cafe to grab a bite to eat and to relax a little. A group of Sasaeng fans were watching and waiting outside for the boys to emerge. Unsettled by this, the cameraman decided to step outside and ask them to move. Instead of actually moving, imagine what these people did. The fans, called the Sasaengs, pretended to leave but started chasing after the boys when they came outside. Luckily, the boys were able to get away. Isn't this scary? Do you think this is what you can do to an idol? Imagine yourself being chased down by someone who don't even know. Another incident happened was not too long ago. It was during J-Hope's birthday V-Live. All the members were on V-Lab in a hotel room. The boys were messing around and with the camera angle you could see the door opening and a girl shows up, then closes the door, then opens it again and waves and then closes it. The Sasaeng tweeted the photos staying next to the BTS hotel room on the Twitter. However, Big Hit claimed the girl seen on J-Hope's birthday V-Live was one of the staff members, but it doesn't look so. Many armies didn't trust this. These sasangs can go to the very extreme points. They invade the artist's private and personal lives. You can see the picture of Jungkook sleeping, which was captured by a sasang who's traveling along with BTS in the same plane. Isn't this ridiculous? These people even released Taehyung's passport information. When asked where they would get this private information, the answer these people said was they bribe with the authorities who work in the airports. These people also get the personal mobile numbers of the artists. And when asked about the same, they again said they would work in the mobile shops or else the credit card shops to get the just get the details of the artist. Why would you ruin your life? What would you get from this? There isn't any benefit you would get, or the artist wouldn't marry you at the end. That's not gonna happen. Sasangs even do sell the members' private mobile numbers to the other group of Sasang to make money. Sasang career is something very expensive. Jungkook have been many times harassed from so many missed calls, text messages. There was a time when Jungkook was doing a V-Live and he received a call from a Sasang. It's saying, this is what Jungkook actually said. It's saying, you're doing a V-Live and I call just to check. And what Jungkook replied is, what do is, I immediately block this call. Actually get a lot of calls from Sasang fans. Why do you trouble your artists so much? There isn't any option left for the boys other than to block the numbers. Even they do so, there are some crazy fans who find again the new number that the artists have taken. This is embarrassing. Jungkook wants to be respected. Yeah, he's cute, handsome, have abs, and is lovely. But why do you want to have tons of phone calls constantly? Even J-Hope's sister has put a screenshot of the huge amount of Sasang's calls that she gets. Do you think it is easy for them? What have they done to deserve such a treatment? There are armies who protect their boys. They do not support the Sasang groups and they immediately report them to the Big Hit. Armies are really worried about the safety of the artists. Big Hit have taken actions and also they have made so many Sasang into the block list, which means these people cannot enter any BTS concert, promotion events. They can never attend anything related to BTS. Guys, BTS have undergone so many struggles, so much of hard work to reach the stage they are today. If you are truly an army, never do this to your boys. Respect their privacy. Even if you find a Sasang promoting their private information, please do not encourage them. At the least, they are also the humans. That's it for today. Annyeong! Thank you K-Fam. Let's meet again in another video.